Hi guys, today I am going to talk about how to use CJ drop shipping. So let's get started. Before everything else, or before I start the tutorial, let me share to you a brief overview of CJ drop shipping. So CJ drop shipping actually enables you to actually get profit without having to incur any warehousing costs. So you can run an entire store based on the products that you get from the drop shipping suppliers, and you don't have to manage anything. All you have to do is to create a brand that you can choose and any kind of products that you can choose as well. So basically, the first step that we need to do is to go to cjdropshipping.com, and once you are routed to the page, all you need to do is register if you don't have an account yet, or sign in if you do have one. And since I've already registered a while ago, you can see my profile in here showing up. Okay, now to begin with, all we need to do is to click on this button, My CJ. Let's click that one. Okay, now once we've clicked My CJ, it will route us to this page basically. So the first thing that we can see is our dashboard. Our dashboard shows us our inventory, our sales, what products we've sourced, the payments that went through, our pending orders, coupons. Basically, it's a report of everything that we've done, or the products or the transactions we've made. Okay, here you can see the skills. Now for order analysis, it will show up your daily orders, how much you've earned daily, and also the average amount. Now for bills, of course, we don't have any data yet because we have not linked any of our online stores to our CJ drop shipping yet. Now for activated stores, we have not activated or authorized any stores yet, so let's not go over that yet. Moving on to our shipping method statistics. In here, you can see our shipping analysis and shipping status. You can also check the dates of the shipping, right? When it was shipped out and when it would probably yeah. All right. As I mentioned, we can't see anything in this part since we have not authorized our online store yet. It's very important, or it's very useful actually for online sellers, most especially, or those who are planning to venture out on online selling. Now, in order for us to make use of CJ drop shipping, all we need to do is authorize our store. There are various stores that we can link our CJ dropping with. Like for instance, Shopify, Weed, 2C, TikTok, WooCommerce, eBay, API, Etsy, Wix, and likes here. Okay, so for example, I do have a Lazada shop. Now I'm going to click on that one, and you can see in this page that you haven't authorized any stores yet. In order for us to authorize, all we need to do is to click on Add Store. Now that we've clicked on Add Store, it will route us to this page, which is a consent page or authorization page. So in here, you would need to fill out the site, your email address, and your password. Okay, before you click on submit, of course, you need to read on this one first. Okay, so CJ dropping is requesting permission for these functions. Okay, now if you do agree, or if you would like to view more, then you can click on view more. And if you do agree to all these, then you can just click on submit. Okay. Right, now let's go to our My CJ page once more. Now, so let's say, for example, we've authorized a store already. Then we can go to, or we can start using our CJ dropshipping. So in order for us to look for items here in this platform, all we need to do is to look at the categories in here. For example, I'd like to start a business with sport and outdoors. And okay, now I would like to have swimwears, for example. Okay, so here we can see one-piece suits, right? And it will give you different kinds of swimsuit products that you can actually sell on your store, authorized store that you linked with. There you have it. So let's say, for example, I would like to sell this product. Okay. Now, before inputting your order, it would be best if you compare the prices first with other platforms like Alibaba, of course, because CJ drop shipping sometimes costs more than other platforms or drop shipping platforms. But yeah, it would be very best to check on other platforms first. Okay, now here we have our chosen product. So in this page, we can see the product price, the color, the size, the quantity, how many products you would like to use or like purchase for that one or sell basically. And then it will show you the shipping fee, service fee, and the total price. Now, if you want to sell this one, you can just directly sell and earn. And also, if you want to buy directly, then you can just click on buy now. So actually, it would be best if you go to our, it doesn't have a, yeah, so here we can see pre-order inventory. So for pre-order inventories, you need to have a 30% deposit requirement before placing an order. The more that you buy, or the more items you buy, the lesser that you would have to pay for the product price, right? There it gives you a pre-order inventory by then. Also, you can make comments, or if you're a buyer, then you could also leave a comment in here. All right. And that's about it. That's how we use CJ drop shipping. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.